Welcome to Kanye CRP. In order to view given or pending confirmations for maintenance or repair orders, access MNTT23 maintenance or repair order confirmations transaction. In this transaction, enter search criteria such as company, plant, production order type, material number, and the others. And depending on whether you want to see pending or given confirmations, you can select yes or no for the confirmed area or all of them. If you want to see the pending confirmations, click no and then click search button. If you want to see previously given confirmations, select yes and click search button. And if you want to see all of them together, select all and click search button.